Max sits in his room, watching a bullfight video on his tablet. His eyes widen as the bull charges. The matador swirls the cape dramatically, and Toro the bull charges right at it with steam blowing from his nose. Max leans closer, totally captivated. The crowd on the screen is cheering wildly in the background. Toro barrels across the ring, kicking up dust as the cape dances in front of him. Max shouts out loud, "Why do bulls hate red so much?" Now we see Max in class, raising his hand during a lesson on animals. He looks curious and excited. I always thought bulls saw red and lost their minds. I mean, cartoons, movies, even school stuff says that Max looks confused as he tries to piece it all together. His face scrunches as he thinks. Suddenly, Dr. Lumen pops up beside Max holding a big "Myth Busted" sign and a grin on his face. Dr. Lumen winks and says, "Ah, Max, it's time we take this bull by the horns with science." Dr. Lumen pulls down a giant color spectrum chart and points to the red section while Toro looks confused. Bulls can't even see red. Their eyes only have 2 color receptors, unlike humans who see the full rainbow. Toro squints at the red section again. To him, it looks like a boring shade of gray or brownish yellow. Dr. Lumen holds up a sign that reads, "Bulls are colorblind to red," with bright arrows pointing to it. He explains that bulls mostly see blues and yellows, which helps them notice contrast, not specific colors. The brightest color Toro sees clearly? Orange, not red. Miguel twirls his red cape in slow motion. It's super dramatic. Toro's eyes follow the swish, not the color. See, it's the motion that fires up Toro's brain, not the shade of red at all. Bulls are wired to react to quick movements, just like a cat chasing a toy. Even if the toy is gray or dull, the cat goes wild if it's wiggling fast. Toro's brain sees a swirling cape and thinks, "Something's coming at me," and boom. That's why he charges. Not because of red, but because of instinct. Let's talk about how bulls see the world. It's way different from how we do. Dr. Lumen brings out cutouts to compare vision. Toro versus Maximum. Time for a fun demo. Toro's eyes are on the sides of his head. That gives him a super wide view. That's right, Toro can see almost all around his body. Max? Not even close. So when Miguel waves that cape, even from the side, Toro spots it instantly. His brain says, "There's movement in my space." And boom, he reacts fast. Out in nature, bulls aren't angry for fun. They charge to protect what's theirs. If another bull shows up, things change fast. It's a showdown. This charging behavior isn't about color. It's about threats. Now picture this. Toro's in the arena. His instincts are still the same. When Miguel waves that cape, it's like another bull stepping in. He's not mad at the color. He feels challenged, so he charges. Let's put the color myth to the test with a little experiment. First, Miguel waves the red cape. Toro charges immediately. Then Miguel tries the blue one. Same dramatic movement, and guess what? When he waves the white cape. Yep, another charge. It's not the color. It's the cape's movement that triggers Toro. Mind blown. Mine too. Red means danger. Blue means calm. That's what we humans believe, right? But Toro doesn't think about colors the way we do. For bulls, it's not about emotions. It's about reacting to what's around them. Maybe we all need to remember, not everyone sees the world the same way, and that's totally okay. Now Toro and I are just chilling together. No charging, no drama. Miguel waves his cape slowly now. And guess what? Toro just yawns. Because now, it's not a threat. Maybe next time I assume something about someone, I'll stop and look a little deeper. And that, Max, is no bull.